city's gonna owe her money. Their trees are in her yard. A lot of damage down 14. There's no power up here at all. Everywhere's out. That cabin made it. Let's see what happens when you use a lot of nails. There's lines down. This ain't good, man. Lots of stuff down on 14 coming up to our stuff. Road was blocked with trees. They got it cut. All right, we got damage here at the corner. Let's see here. That tree completely took out the fence, uprooted the gate right there, broke the gate actually. We got trees snapped on the inside. I'll have to get down in there and go look, but we got a lot of trees snapped back there. Got a lot of water on the road up here too. Looks like that canal area is completely flooded. I'm gonna see if I can get through it, hopefully. If not, I might have to go around the other way. There's water standing everywhere out here. Let's see if this road's out or not, if I can get through it. A lot of trees snapped back in there. Let's see if we can get it. I don't think it's too bad. We got fence down here. Big oak snapped back there with tree. Right there, the pine snapped. That's all snapped and water running through. A lot of tree down there. A lot of wind damage. All the pines are now leaning or snapped. There's a lot of damage in there. Lots of stuff snapped up in here. Alright, there we go. Let's see. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to cut my way in. Got no way in. Look at this. Man, you got lucky. Look at that. Shit, our house made it.